It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. High style, high performance. Mercedes-Benz. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,